Change in habits leads to change in life. A bad habit is like comfortable bed, easy to get in but hard to get out. Good afternoon everyone. I am Ankit, working as a design engineer, expert in SolidWorks and also an affiliate marketer. Today I am here with my new video. Today's topic is habit that I want to quit. But before I tell you that which habit I want to quit, I want to tell you 7 habits that can change your life, that can change your entire life. So let's begin with the 7 habits. First habit, positive thinking. If you think positive, then your body will react like that. Sakaratmak soch. So if you think positive, then your action will according to that. Let's suppose if you think negatively, then your action will according to that. Always think positive, because if you want to achieve something in your life, you have to think positive. Your mindset need to be strong. Your mindset need to be positive, because only positive people can achieve anything in their life. So always think positive. Second, exercise. If you are fit, then you are confident enough to achieve anything. And how can you be fit? By doing exercise regularly. By doing exercise in morning 1.5 hour daily. Because you know one thing, that a healthy mind always fits in a healthy body. And how do you get a healthy body? By doing exercise regularly, daily. Not just 1 or 2 days in a week, it's daily. Keep doing exercise daily and daily. Keep indulge in your work. The third one is single tasking. Never try to be a multitasker, because there is no way to get you multitasking, because you can't do many works on a single time. So always try to be a single tasker, because if you are a single tasker, your efficiency will increase. But if you do more than 2 or 3 works on a single time, then your efficiency will affect, or maybe less. So always do single tasking, one task at a time. The fourth habit is focus on one goal. If you focus on one goal at a time, then your productivity will increase, your efficiency will increase. There are many goals in your life, but at a time you need to focus on one goal. Let's suppose you are reading a book right now, then you just focus on reading, not anything else. So just focus one goal at a time, because if you do that, you can give your 100% into that. You can provide your 100% confidence, your concentration into that. If you're reading book, then just read book. If you're writing something, then just write, so that your efficiency will increase, your productivity will increase, your consistency will increase. Yes, your consistency will also increase by this. So the fifth is eliminate all non-essential things. Please eliminate all the non-essential things from your life, like any friend, loved ones, girlfriend, boyfriend who affects you, who always disgrace you, who always think about negative about you, who always think negative about you, who never encourages you. So if someone can't encourages you, then how can you let them in your life? People who waste your time in parties or something like that, just get rid of them, because once you ready to eliminate all those non-essential factors from your life, then you just focus on those things which are essential for you, which are important for you. Because of that, your productivity will increase, your time will save. You save your time by doing only and only positive things. And the sixth one is kindness. Yes, kindness is the habit which grow day by day. You need to be polite with others while speaking, because once you be polite, you feel happy from inside, because They will appreciate you for your nature. They will appreciate you for your politeness. And once anyone who appreciates us, it feels good to us. It feels happy to us. So always be kind to others. The seventh one is daily routine. You have a daily routine in your life, because if you have a routine in your life, then you save a lot of time in your life. Once you save that time, you can do more work in your life, and you can achieve your goals, your dreams as soon as possible. For that, you need to have set daily routine in your life. You have everything up to mark in your life. So these are the seven habits, or you can say steps, by which you can change your life entirely. Now I will tell that what bad habit I want to get rid of. I have few bad habits, but my most bad habit, you can say very bad habit, is laziness, lack of consistency, eating bad food, junk food. Due to laziness, I am not willing to do any kind of work, not for even for myself, and because of that, my family scolds me. So I need to get rid of that laziness, lack of consistency. Because of this, I left my few good habits, just like reading books daily, writing diary, newspaper reading, doing exercise daily. I'll do exercise, but not on regular basis, because I'm not consistent enough. But now I'm trying to do that. So due to lack of consistency, I'll do those things 1 or 2 days, but not regularly for a longer term. So always I want to be a consistent. Now I need to get rid of this lack of consistency. Now the third one is eating bad habit or junk food. Due to eating bad food or junk food, my health affects me. I am coming in a way where people will become fat. I can eat anything at any time, and it will not digest anymore. So it affects my confidence. Right now I am not feeling good for my body, which affects my confidence when I present myself in front of others. So always ready to cover your bad habits with your good ones. You need to replace your bad habit with the good ones. These are my 3 bad habits which I need to get rid of. Tell me yours in the comment box, guys, because once you change your habits, your life will change simultaneously. Because the difference between successful people and the unsuccessful people is just the habits which they follow. If they follow bad habits, they will become unsuccessful. If they follow good habits, they become successful. So always follow the good habits, which leads to a goal determining path, which gives you a vision in your life, and which gives you the ample time to achieve your goal, of achieve your dreams. So always follow these kind of things. Thank you.